Welcome back to Notaslazy quiz channel. Today we bring you 35 questions in the subject of insurance. Ready to test your knowledge? Let's play. What is the primary purpose of life insurance? Income replacement. What does premium refer to in insurance terms? Cost of the insurance. What is a deductible in an insurance policy? A portion of the loss paid by the insured. Which type of insurance covers medical expenses? Health insurance. What is term life insurance? Coverage for a specified term. What is an insurance policy? A legal contract. What is comprehensive coverage in auto insurance? Covers theft and non-collision damage. What does beneficiary mean in life insurance? The person receiving benefits. What is liability insurance? Insurance for legal responsibility. What is a rider in insurance terms? A policy amendment. What type of insurance is typically required by law for drivers? Auto liability insurance. What does underwriting mean in insurance? Evaluating risk. Which insurance covers damage to your car from a collision? Collision insurance. What is an insurance adjuster? A person who assesses claims. What is whole life insurance? Lifetime coverage with savings component. What is coinsurance? A split of costs between insurer and insured. What is reinsurance? Insurance for insurers. What is actuarial science? The study of insurance risks and premiums. What is exclusion in an insurance policy? A risk not covered. What is claim in insurance terms? A request for payment. What is gap insurance? Insurance covering the difference between car value and loan balance. What is indemnity? Compensation for damage or loss. What is moral hazard? Increase risk-taking. What is risk management? Minimizing financial losses. What is self-insurance? Setting aside funds to cover potential losses. What is third-party insurance? Insurance for third-party damages. What is insurable interest? A financial stake in the insured item. What is probationary period in insurance terms? A waiting period before coverage starts. What is subrogation? Taking over the rights of the insured. What is umbrella insurance? Extra liability coverage. What is the face value of a life insurance policy? The death benefit amount. What is no-fault insurance? Coverage regardless of fault. What is actual cash value in property insurance? Replacement cost minus depreciation. What is insurance fraud? Filing false claims. What is group insurance? Insurance for a group of people. Well done. We have come to the end of today's quiz. I hope that you have learnt something new. How many questions did you get right? Please share your result in the comments section and share this video to other educational quiz lovers. If you found value in this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more educational quizzes from us. See you in the next quiz.